I'm probably gonna show for a little bit.
We're back. We're back with Tatro, and he's about to fix my transmission because that's Chris, Phil.
This needs to get home.
We got Carl. We got a new one. We got a new one right here.
Then
we got a new one of these. We got a new one of these.
Pull this fucker out.
And all this shit is just gonna go through because we're gonna make sure that because we got lippies that don't need to be lippies when they're lippies. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the new one.
Using the old gear set?
I'm not sure if we're using the old gear set though. We'll see.
Does he have another one? Another gear set?
Yeah, he has all. He has everything.
A million gear sets.
So, but I was kind of worried about these bits right here.
Yeah, I mean, they're
that chunk right there.
They're probably usable.
But I don't want usable. I want shit that'll.
This is fine,
enough.
except this needs to. Actually, no. Feel it. That needs to be turned down.
Or we can just get a new one.
Oh, it's your shit.
Yeah. If you want to be big
This one's chewed
I'm
up.
gonna be big baller on this.
This one's chewed up with the
Yeah.
lines dig into.
Yeah. Isn't this the kicker one? What's the kicker? Where's the kicker one? I don't know where the kicker one is. So, and then we got this new guy here. And then I think this is, which gear is this? Third gear. That was the one that kept on spinning out on me, giving me the false neutral.
The third was?
Yeah.
It's false neutral from a gear or fork?
I don't know.
Because there's still ship forks, right? That's what these are, right?
Yeah, those,
Yeah.
I think my forks are pretty jacked out.
Yeah, I think it's a fucking bit. I think it bit when that.
Yeah, see, look at that brand new
that
guy.
bearing blew out.
Yeah, it looks much better.
That's,
It's a little bit.
where is it? Probably goes right there. A little bit better than trash.
So I'll mix it up, see.
What's there?
Tatro!
Tatro!
Keep the old.
Tatro, I think I broke it.
What's wrong? Got their problem.
Burp. Burp.
He literally just made a noise.
That's what he does.
Yep.
All right, we'll be back. Tatro's been getting his end wet.
I haven't gotten a Christmas present in fucking 12 years.
So that's that. What are we working on out here, Tatro?
The fucking shoe comes out.
5/16.
What are we working on?
5/8.
5/8, okay.
Putting oil in the thing?
Taking the motor apart.
Oh, taking it completely apart?
Yeah, you gotta take the flywheels out to change the oil.
What? No.
What are you gonna do?
5/8.
It's my red. If you bring your bike in here, the motor's gonna go
9/16?
apart.
Yeah.
No, this size.
This side, all right.
Hard to get good help. No,
That looks 5/8.
somewhere. Just not here. No.
That's 5/8.
Oh, someone been stealing your tools, Tatro. Someone been stealing tools.
It's a long video here.
It's gonna be a super long
No,
video.
no, we ain't doing no video.
Yeah, we are. We're doing it right now.
Oh, no. Oh, fuck, you is on video. Oh, man, here we go.
It's coming on
Oh, man.
Tatro's just laying on the ground.
Taking a nap?
Yeah, he's taking a nap when we could be doing transmission work, Tatro.
See, look, I knew he's a
Here
vampire.
you go,
Look at his
Tatro.
arms.
Yeah.
Look at his arms. He's a
socket.
vampire.
You need a wrench.
Does he sparkle when the light hits him? He does.
He does. He's sparkling right now.
I knew it.
I'll find one. I don't know where it's at. Gotta go in the site.
Can't get good help anymore.
I'm gonna get Tatro laid tonight.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna film it.
Hell yeah. Put it on YouTube.
We're gonna put it on X video.
Alright, what did Walker do with it? Walker took it.
I did 5 months ago when I left my bike here.
I was going for 5 months. Hey, I swear I've been going since February.
And then,
Yeah, 5 months.
The bolts. Where's my nuts?
What?
I found the wrench right here.
There's your 5/8.
Oh, I got my
Harley return. I just need my DC one and my federal one.
Hey, what am I doing with this transmission there, Tatro? Dad!
I love tax returns.
We're going to take another 5-minute break.
Keep in mind, all you got